Guys, so what if your VS Code could match your wallpaper color, just like Material U themes on Android? Yeah, so I built a cross-platform CLI tool that does exactly that, but this one is on Adrenaline. Let me show you. You see, the story is that this looks so boring, so I want to make it unboring. Then LunarMatt was born. So LunarMatt is basically a Material U inspired adaptive wallpaper color extraction feature to VS Code, and it works so great. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to install it, set up, and I'm gonna run you through all the features it has. Yeah, so let's get started. You see, my VS Code is opened here, so let me actually make it a little smaller. Let me launch my beautiful terminal, and then let me come to this awesome and let me scroll to the top here and copy the install command. Actually, I'm on Linux, so just select Linux here, and if you're on Mac, you know what to do. If you're on Windows as well, just copy this command. It will do the trick. So actually, let me come back here to my beautiful terminal, hit enter, and let's wait for LunarMatt to finish installing. Now the LunarMatt installation is done. We're gonna go ahead and run through the commands right now. It says we should restart our terminal. Let's quickly do that, and let me drag my terminal over here so VS Code can be expanded a little further. Yep. So let's run the LunarMatt command. Yeah, the first time is gonna take a little time. It's here, so you can see LunarMatt. It has a lot of features, you know. It has the dark mode and light mode and auto watch reset and status mode. So we are gonna go through each one of these manually right here. So let's clear this. So currently you can see my VS Code looking so boring, and it's on the default VS Code dark theme, which is what almost everyone uses most of the times. Some people using Scatposing, but this is going to change how things work. So you can clearly see my wallpaper here. I'm gonna do LunarMatt auto dark. The dark, I'm specifying the mode, and automatic just means look through my system which wallpaper I'm using and extract color from that. Let's hit enter. Yeah, so guys, this is it. It's done. It looks beautiful, guys. You can see. So it's actually extracted that color from this wallpaper, or most of the time it picks the color randomly from the wallpaper. And let's change our wallpaper quickly. So yeah, let me choose wallpaper, for example, with LunarMatt. So you can do LunarMatt auto dark again. Yeah, you can see it just picked the color right away and it's adapted. So very interesting. So actually you can do auto light as well for the light mode. Yep. So that's for the auto mode. Let's look at the watch mode. The watch mode is very interesting. So you type LunarMatt watch dark mode and hit enter, and you know what, just change your wallpaper. That's all. Let me look for an interesting one. Yep. Yeah, so you can see it just adapted it without you having to run the auto command or anything like that. So yeah, you can change your wallpaper again. Let's see this one. Yeah, let's see, it's just like extracting your wallpaper colors and applying it to the VS Code system, and guys, it works so great. The colors are so nice, vibrant, and it works fine. And yeah, let's look at the manual mode. So in case this is not working for you, auto mode or the watch mode is not working for you, you can actually just do LunarMatt, right? And then you can specify your wallpaper path. So I have most of my wallpapers and pictures. Let me actually specify pictures like this and wallpapers, and I can actually choose any wallpaper I want from this list. I have a lot of wallpapers. Let me just choose any of these, and then followed by dark. I want dark mode. Hit enter, and it's going to apply the colors from the wallpaper we specified. So I am gonna like to view specifically this wallpaper. Which one is that? So let me open my Explorer quickly. So this was the wallpaper. It got the color. You can see they look very identical. It got the color, the manual color from this specific wallpaper. So that's how the manual mode also works. You can actually switch to the dark mode. We can use the dark mode tab for almost all of them, on the light mode tab for all the commands. Okay, yeah, so that's how LunarMatt works. But there's one problem. If you try to maybe select another thing, like switch from this material use style to something else, let's do example material use. I now choose maybe this one, the dark contrast. You can see that, yeah, it didn't really change, right? So what you can do here is do LunarMatt resets. That's basically what the reset option is for. You just do LunarMatt reset and you are free. If you come to your colors, you can actually select anything, and now they are going to work perfectly for you. And also, if in case LunarMatt is not working, you face any bug, just do LunarMatt filters to check if it's running. There you can see that it's not running. And yeah, let's in case apply LunarMatt again with the LunarMatt auto tab. It's now active. We can do the LunarMatt papers now. Status, and here we go. You can see it said it specifically LunarMatt is active. So yes guys, that's how LunarMatt works, and the installation is pretty much the same on Windows and macOS. All you have to do, come to this directory and copy this command here and paste inside your terminal, and for Windows you paste inside PowerShell, and yeah, it's going to work for you nicely. So the code is available on GitHub. It's actually open source. You can contribute to it. So that's basically it for LunarMatt. If you want to uninstall, yeah, all you have to do is to come right here and just copy the command based on the platform that you are. I made the uninstallation script so much easy, so just put it in here. And please, one thing, before you actually want to uninstall LunarMatt, you need to make sure that you do LunarMatt reset. Reset before you uninstall, so that when you change your thing, it will actually work. So let me actually confirm by coming to this place. Yeah, so now when I change my thing, it works. Then you can uninstall LunarMatt with this command. The uninstallation process is done successfully, just like that. If you run the LunarMatt command again, yeah, it will say it's unknown. So yep guys, that's basically for this video. You know what to do. Hit on that subscribe button. You can smash the bell icon also.